Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Ascent. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. Come take a test drive today.